Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so the update won't fail. Sign into your Huawei ID, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi, and plug in the charger if battery is low. Make sure at least 200 MB free and backup app data to Huawei Cloud or local storage. This prevents data loss if rollback is needed. Once done, open App Gallery, go to Me, then Updates. Select the app and tap Update. This direct route reduces complications and ensures the right version downloads. Next, handle the trickier middle steps. If App Gallery fails to list an update, confirm region settings and that your device model is supported, because incompatible builds won't appear. If you must sideload an APK, enable install from unknown sources only for the File Manager app, then install the package. This isolates risk. Verify the APK's signature and version code matches the installed app. Installing a mismatched signature will be blocked. Once installed, make sure permissions and runtime requests are granted so the app runs normally. Complete the process by restarting your device, which finalizes library linking and clears transient locks. Then open the app and test key functions like login, syncing, and push notifications. Make sure app permissions and background launch settings allow expected behavior. If something goes wrong, a single reliable tip: clear App Gallery and System Package Installer cache, sign out and back into your Huawei ID, then try the update again. If that still fails, restore your backup or reinstall the prior known good APK to recover functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.